Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato dipping sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes or 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. We'll also use 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of fresh basil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. These fresh components are key to a vibrant, flavorful sauce that's perfect for dipping. Now let's get everything prepped. If you're using fresh tomatoes, give them a quick wash, then core and roughly chop them into pieces. Don't worry too much about perfection here, as they'll break down during cooking. Next, finely mince your 2 cloves of garlic. Finally, chop about 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant but not browned. Then, add your chopped tomatoes or canned crushed tomatoes along with the fresh basil, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. After simmering, your sauce should be rich and flavorful. For a smoother consistency, you can use an immersion blender directly in the pot, or carefully transfer it to a regular blender. Blend until it reaches your desired texture. Taste the sauce and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt or pepper if needed. Serve warm with your favorite dippers like breadsticks, mozzarella sticks, or even as a pasta sauce. Don't forget to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.